Good morning, y'all. Let's go out here, check on our patio garden this morning. Right here, y'all can see at the door is our Thai basil, and it's looking so crazy. I gotta do some research and figure out Thai basil and growing process, cause y'all see my Thai basil and how crazy it's looking. Hold on, y'all. Let's go out. That's our fresh sweet basil. That's our tomato plant. It's getting huge. Squash has got some blossoms on it over there. That salad bowl out of control. I need to eat some. Other zucchini squash plant over there is looking really good. Right here we got some zucchini and some squash coming up in these pots. My mint plant here is getting tall. Need to utilize to make some mint lemonade or something. Got some chives. Pineapple sage. If y'all have never tried pineapple sage, y'all need to get y'all the plant. It smells so good. Got some stuff sprouting over here. I see the sage. What is this? This shard. This tomato plant is getting real tall and leggy. Got some stuff popping up in this pot. I'm gonna come out here and water. Just wanted to give y'all our Monday morning update. That's our bell pepper bowl. We finally got a few bell peppers popping up, look this like, in this bowl. And these are hot pepper bowls down there, the small ones. We got some hot pepper plants popping up. And that's our carrots and our beans. You can see we got some carrots sprouting up out the tote. So, yeah. This is our Monday morning update in the garden, y'all. You can see I barely got room to move, but I'd rather have vegetables than to be able to sit on the porch and move. Give y'all a full rundown. Chico Jack, Zoladon's Fresh Market. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can catch me for our Monday morning updates in the garden. If anybody grows Thai basil, comment down below. Give me some tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.